Pakistan has unveiled a new missile system that defense analysts say could reshape naval planning in the northern Arabian Sea. The weapon is known as Smash, officially designated P-282, and it is Pakistan's first ship-launched anti-ship ballistic missile. Pakistan's Ministry of Defense recently released footage of a test firing from a naval frigate. The missile rises sharply into cloud cover, accelerating with considerable force. For defense observers, it marks a rare moment. Only a handful of countries have developed ballistic missiles capable of striking warships at sea. Pakistan has now positioned itself among them. According to official information, Smash is a supersonic long-range anti-ship ballistic missile. Its range is believed to be around 350 kilometers, allowing it to strike targets well beyond Pakistan's coastal waters. The Pakistan Navy states that the system features state-of-the-art guidance and advanced terminal maneuverability. These qualities are significant. A maneuvering ballistic missile presents a challenging problem for shipboard air defense systems, which are typically configured to counter low-flying cruise missiles, not high-speed ballistic threats descending from above. Technical assessment. Much of Smash's detailed design remains classified, but open-source analysis, based on available imagery, suggests that the missile is approximately 9 meters long and up to 90 centimeters in diameter. Experts believe it is powered by a solid-fuel ballistic rocket motor, enabling rapid launch readiness and minimal preparation time. Based on its ballistic trajectory and size, the missile is thought to travel at speeds exceeding Mach 3, possibly approaching Mach 4 during its final descent. These velocities shorten the reaction time available to a defending warship, particularly when combined with terminal maneuvering. The warhead type has not been publicly disclosed. However, analysts estimate a payload in the range of 200 to 300 kilograms, consistent with other ballistic anti-ship systems around the world. The missile is also described as capable of engaging land-based targets, giving it a secondary strike role against coastal infrastructure or high-value installations. While Pakistan has not identified the guidance package, defense specialists believe the missile likely uses a combination of inertial navigation, satellite updates, and an active radar seeker in the terminal phase. This arrangement would enable it to track moving naval targets with significant accuracy. Strategic context. For Pakistan, the introduction of Smash is part of a broader evolution in maritime defense thinking. The country increasingly favors anti-access and area denial strategies, known as A2/AD. These strategies aim to deter or slow the approach of larger, more sophisticated naval forces by presenting them with credible, long-range threats. In practical terms, Smash offers Pakistan a tool that can hold adversary ships at risk without relying on aircraft or submarines.